If you started learning a tech skill today, when would you realistically be ready for a job? 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? Because social media makes it seem like people learn for 2 weeks, build one project, and suddenly change their lives overnight. But that's not how it works. Welcome to Zero to Tech, where we make tech simpler for people starting from scratch. Today, we're breaking down realistic timelines for different tech paths, not fantasy timelines, real ones. And if you haven't seen the previous video where we figured out how to choose the right tech path based on your strengths, weaknesses, and personality, definitely watch that after this, because today's video builds on it. The real question isn't, how long does tech take? It's, how long does my path take? Even if two people start learning the same skill on the same day, they won't necessarily finish at the same time. Your consistency matters. How much time you can put in every day matters. How quickly you learn matters. Life happens, school happens, work happens. Some people can study 4 hours a day, others might only have one. So instead of comparing your timeline to somebody else's, focus on building a timeline that works for you. Before we break down timelines, I need to say something important. Tech isn't school. There's no exact moment where you study for 6 months, write an exam, and suddenly unlock a job. It's more like learning how to drive. First, you learn where everything is. Then you practice. Then you make mistakes. Then, slowly things start making sense. Eventually, you become comfortable. The same thing happens here. So instead of asking, how fast can I finish, ask, how consistently can I improve? Because consistency beats random motivation every single time. Studying 1 hour every day for 6 months beats studying 10 hours today and disappearing for 3 weeks. Let's say from the last video, you realized you're more of a creative person. You enjoy making things feel better, you notice details, and you care about experiences. Maybe UI UX caught your attention. Here's a realistic timeline. Month 1, 2. Learn the fundamentals, typography, color theory, spacing, user experience principles, and basic design thinking. Don't stress if these sound complicated right now. Everyone starts there. There are amazing beginner videos on YouTube, and you can start learning Figma for free. Focus on understanding, not mastering. Month 3, 4. Start recreating designs. This is important. Recreating, not creating. Take apps you already use like Spotify, WhatsApp, Netflix, or Instagram, and redesign small parts of them. Beginners often get stuck trying to create something revolutionary immediately. Month 5 and 6, start building projects. Aim for 3 to 5 solid projects. Nothing crazy, just enough to show, I know what I'm doing. Then start looking for internships and beginner opportunities. Now maybe you're more of a problem solver. You enjoy figuring things out and understanding how things work. Software development might fit you. Month 1, 3. Learn the fundamentals, variables, functions, logic, and basic problem solving. And please don't learn 5 programming languages at once. Your brain deserves peace. Pick one and stay there. Month 4, 6. Build small projects, not the next Facebook, not the next ChatGPT. Simple projects like to-do apps, calculator apps, or weather apps. Small projects teach more than endless tutorials. Month 7, 9. Start building stronger projects, create a portfolio, and put your work online. Now, if that's not you, but you're curious and enjoy understanding systems and solving problems, cybersecurity could fit you. Month 1 through 3, learn networking basics, operating systems, how systems communicate, and how the internet works. Month 4 through 6, practice with labs, try beginner exercises, and actually touch things. Cybersecurity isn't something you learn by only watching videos. Month 7 through 10, build projects, use practice environments, and work on certifications if they make sense. Beginners today have something people didn't really have a few years ago. AI. And no, I don't mean letting AI do everything while you sit there feeling productive. I mean using it as a learning tool. Imagine you're learning software development and get stuck. Instead of staring at your screen for 2 hours, wondering why something isn't working, ask AI, Explain this error like I'm a complete beginner, or ask for simple examples of functions. Learning UI/UX? Ask, review this design and tell me what can improve. Learning data analysis? Ask it to explain difficult concepts using simple examples. Learning cybersecurity? Ask it to break technical ideas into beginner language. Think of AI as a teacher that doesn't get tired of your questions. But don't replace your thinking with AI. If AI solves every problem for you, you're not learning. You're watching somebody else learn for you. Use AI to understand, not to avoid thinking. Now maybe you're wondering where beginners actually find jobs. Start looking at LinkedIn, internships, junior roles, trainee programs, remote job platforms, and communities. Don't ignore communities because opportunities appear there before they reach job boards. And don't wait until you feel completely ready because most people never feel ready. Apply while learning, build while learning, and improve while learning. Don't worry if software development caught your attention and you're wondering what a developer does every day. Or maybe UI/UX sounds interesting and you're thinking, where exactly to start? We're breaking all of that down here on Zero to Tech, step by step. We're going deeper into each path, realistic timelines, what people actually do day to day, and beginner mistakes. We'll show how to go from complete beginner to entry level. Finding your path is step 1, and actually getting there is step 2. Before you go, comment which path you're planning to start. UI/UX, software development, cybersecurity, data, or something else. If you're starting from zero and want someone to make tech less confusing, subscribe and join the journey.